Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today I'm going to show you a replacement option for the Water Jet Assembly 700322. This jet is no longer being made, but we have a replacement for it. As you can see, the wall flanges for the new jet are the same exact threads as the old one. Unlike the original, the face of this jet is replaceable. Let me show you how it goes together. So when installing the new wall flange, you're going to want to put a heavy bead of 100% clear GE silicone around the shoulder of the jet. You notice there's 4 notches down in the deep throat of the jet, which fits a tool, which you can now get the leverage to tighten up that wall flange as best you can to get it nice and snug to get you a watertight seal. Okay, this is how you put the trim pieces together. First you're going to take the black O-ring, put it down inside the throat of the wall flange. It's going to sit on a shoulder inside the wall flange. Then you're going to put in the eyeball. Then you're going to put in the nylon ring. And then you're going to thread on the locking ring. It comes in white, chrome, and bone. And that's everything you need to know about changing the wall flange on your Water Jet Assembly 700322. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.